Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can disable emoticon to emoji conversion in Discord. So for instance, if I type in smile or sad face like I did there, it's going to convert to an emoji and like a heart shape as well. So I just want to like type this kind of heart shape. Go to user settings, and then you are going to scroll down to the chat. And then you're going to scroll down as well. Wait, where is it? Oh, here. And then you're going to go to emoji and you're going to disable that. So when you type in smiley face or sad face, it's not going to convert to an emoji. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.